So here's exactly how I made $750 in 4 to 5 minutes trading Nas100 live. Let's get right into it. Adjusted my strategy just a little bit. That means that I'm currently in this trade. So I had a buy stop. I don't know if, and this is the trade across all of the accounts. I am gonna close manually. Even though we're not at TP, remember I keep saying this and I keep saying it in every single soling video. So not just me catch it, but somebody else out there catch it, bro. Because come on, dog. We're here to make money, not to be right. Oh, snap. Look at the, we come back at the right time. I literally just sent the message and price hit TP. If I just had the patience, yeah, I know. Welcome back to another video. It's currently Thursday. The next day we had a great week thus far, but oh snap, yeah, I can't see what's going on in the chart. No, you probably can. And this is the situation on the charts. I have a buy limit, and to be honest, I don't have that much confidence that price would want to tap me in, but I really don't want to just open a position and then the price drops and I have to endure more losses than I, would have to if I just wait on the price. So I'm gonna wait. It's hella rainy right now, very, very cool. So, well, not very, very cool, because I know they got people probably watching that experience much, much worse. But hey, I'm from the Caribbean, bro. Rain is too much rain is cold for me. So yeah, this is the situation. I sent this buy limit out to the community as well, and we're all waiting. I really don't want to just put a buy in because I believe that at 9:30 there's a news release or something. So let's see what happens. Yeah, that's 8 minutes away. So I'm gonna open back up the camera and fill you guys in on how that went, and let's see how the trading day goes. So we're back about the 5 minutes or 6 or 10 minutes later, and this is the situation. This is what price did. It kinda went away and left the buy limit that I didn't have that much confidence in. But here's the thing, remember when I was telling y'all that I adjusted my strategy just a little bit? That means that I'm currently in this trade. So I had a buy stop. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, I had a buy stop. Probably need to come a little bit closer. And buy limit. So I was buying regardless, and I marked out the areas of interest for the buy limit and for the buy stop. The buy stop got activated and the parameters are still the same. The stop loss is a bit higher up, so let me just adjust it on here so we can see. The stop loss for the buy stop would be here, and the entry was right there. So it's a little bit less risk than the buy limit, but we'll see how it goes. I was initially thinking to take the buy stop at this area of interest that I have marked out on the charts here at 21,870, and that's also the take profit that I sent out to the community, a quick one-to-one trade. Actually, let me verify that's the take profit that I sent out. Then okay, so take profit is 21,866. all right, that's basically, yeah, so that's the take profit that I sent out to the community. So that was a one-to-one trade because the entry being at the bottom here, it was a little bit over one-to-one, but in the case of the buy stop, since the stop loss is also higher, I could reduce the amount of risk that I'm taking on this trade. And once we get to this area of interest, and then price chooses to either come back and touch that fair value gap and tap the second entry into the second position into the trade, then I can hold that one for the higher take profit. But for right now, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna close out the camera again and come back and fill you guys in on the trade once we get to any of our points of interest. So we're back, and this is the trade across all of the accounts. I am gonna close manually, even though we're not at TP. Remember, I keep saying this and I keep saying it in every single solo video, so not just me catch it, but somebody else out there catch it, bro. Because come on, dog, we're here to make money, not to be right. We are not here to be right, bro. We're here to take what the market is giving us, and if that just so happens to be money, then hey, close that and close that. What's going on here? Okay, that means this one should close. Nah, I manually opened this one, I forgot. And these two should also be closed. Good. And this one, I don't know why this account only had one trade open, bro, but still learning how to, you know, adjust and maneuver around this trade copy and citation. Oh yeah, and I still have another $84. I don't even know if I could see either, bro. Yeah, nah, I can't see the man. I got it's $84 running right now. Again, I close 2 positions. That's it. That's it. Made a cool $50 on the personal today as well, and $100 again on all of the accounts. So far, it's been 3 days, each day with about $100 around that on all of the accounts. That's a roughly $760, because the personal ain't really making 100 in a day. Probably making like $30 or so, and the other prop firm, sometimes I make 40, sometimes I make 60. I'm not risking too much over there because I want to take it very slow. Yeah, that's the situation. It's been 3 consecutive days of approximately $750. So yeah, that's probably it. It's Thursday and I'm not sure if I'm done trading for the week, but if I'm trading tomorrow, it will be with reduced risk, because it's been a pretty good trading week thus far. For the entire week, we've had, I was on the 1 minute checking it. I was just observing, I wasn't entering price. So y'all don't come at me, bro. Y'all don't come at me. Okay, so for this week, we've taken a loss on Monday, and 3 trades in total, 4 trades in total, sorry. Now I can adjust this take profit right here. Let me just inform the community that I'm exiting the trade right now in profit, and you know, they can choose to hold for full TP or close, but I'm out of the trade, and then I'll come back and update you guys, right? Just give me a second. Oh snap, look at the, we come back at the right time. I literally just sent the message and price hit TP. If I just had the patience, yeah, I know, for hold I'd be even more up right now. Yes, I got out around here and price went all the way up and smashed that TP. That's a lovely price action, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Today we probably gonna do another little outside walk somewhere. I don't know yet, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't do the walk yesterday on yesterday's video. I do the walk for yesterday's video today, so I'm gonna choose 2 places to go so it doesn't seem repetitive or like I'm just trying to do it for the sake of it. I actually want to bring something that can bring me out value, but it's a nice place, it looks different or unique or whatever the case is. So yeah, we can get to that, and I'm also gonna give you guys a small trade breakdown for this trade as well, because hey, why not? We can get into that, and then we can study where we can go for the day and just enjoy a couple minutes. Probably on the seawall. I like the seawall, so bring it out with me. And it's windy as hell, so I ain't gonna be saying anything. I'm probably gonna just talk over it after. So yeah, man. W today.